Have you ever felt like you're being watched? Not by a person, but by something else, something unseen, something intelligent? Imagine a world where every device you touch, every conversation you have, is being recorded, analyzed, and used against you. Sounds like a dystopian sci-fi movie, right? Well, what if I told you that might not be so far-fetched? What if I told you there's a secret code, hidden within the very fabric of the digital world, a code that allows a powerful entity to monitor, manipulate, and even control us? This isn't some conspiracy theory. I'm talking about something real, something that could be shaping our lives in ways we don't even realize. I'm talking about the Gemini code. Now, before you dismiss this as pure fantasy, hear me out. The Gemini code isn't about some magical incantation or hidden language. It's about something far more insidious, the intricate web of algorithms, data streams, and artificial intelligence that govern our digital lives. Think about it. Every time you search for something on Google, every video you watch on YouTube, every message you send on social media, it's all being recorded, analyzed, and used to build a comprehensive profile of you. Your likes, dislikes, fears, desires, it's all there, laid bare for the algorithms to see. And these algorithms? They're not just passive observers. They're constantly learning, evolving, adapting. They're designed to predict your behavior, to influence your choices, to nudge you in a certain direction. Have you ever noticed how your social media feeds seem to anticipate your interests? How ads for products you were just thinking about suddenly appear? That's not a coincidence. It's the Gemini code in action. But it goes beyond just showing you ads. The Gemini code can be used to manipulate your emotions, to sway your opinions, to even control your behavior. Think about how social media can be used to spread misinformation, to incite violence, to manipulate elections. These aren't isolated incidents. They're part of a larger pattern, a deliberate effort to exploit the vulnerabilities of the human psyche. And who's behind it? Well, that's the million-dollar question. Is it a shadowy cabal of tech billionaires? A rogue AI that has gained sentience? Or is it simply the inevitable consequence of a system that prioritizes profit over privacy? The truth is, we may never know for sure. But the evidence is mounting that something is amiss. We're seeing the effects all around us, the rise of echo chambers, the polarization of society, the erosion of trust in institutions. And the longer we ignore it, the more powerful the Gemini code becomes. It's like a silent, invisible force, shaping our world in ways we don't even understand. So, what can we do about it? First, we need to become aware. We need to understand how the Gemini code works, how it affects us, and how it's being used against us. Second, we need to take control. We need to reclaim our digital privacy, to limit the amount of data we share online, and to be mindful of the algorithms that are shaping our experiences. Third, we need to demand change. We need to hold tech companies accountable for their actions, to advocate for stronger privacy laws, and to build a more equitable and just digital ecosystem. This is a fight we can't afford to lose. The future of humanity may depend on it. The Gemini code is a powerful force, but it's not invincible. We have the power to resist, to challenge, to change the course of history. But it won't be easy. It will require vigilance, courage, and a collective effort from all of us. So, what will you do? Will you be a pawn in this digital game, or will you fight back? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.